check out what I got in the mail today. A brand new bike. Who sent this to me? I have no idea. But I'll find out sooner or later, whatever. So let's open this, right? Okay. Let's open this box. I got my trusty knife. Let's see this. Okay, that doesn't work. Knife. That's one. How fun. Shit. Okay, anyway, let's unbox this. Next video. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Oh, wait, let me see. This is up. Smells good. Gotta check, see if it's okay. First thing I see is a bike. And lots of tools. Holy cow. How am I going to put this together? I have no idea. Got these nice parts. Shit, I keep hurting myself. This is heavy. Oh, what did I break? Oh my god. I got this bike. Oh my god. Somebody sent me this bike. Okay, how do I ride this? I have no idea. Okay, well, this is the bike. Okay. See? There you go. Oh my god. Cannot wait to ride this. Hopefully nobody steals this one. Okay, well, thank you for this bike. I gotta put this shit together now. Well, look at the damn knife. Fucking A, man. Come on. Okay. We'll do it again. Don't want to take. So I'd like to say to anybody that got me this bike, thank you so much. I appreciate this. Please tell me who it was, because I have no idea. It has no note, nothing that says that who got me this bike. But thank you so much. I'm about to cry again.